If God were a programmer, what would be the worst line of code he ever wrote? Some say the appendix. That's just a comment line to fill space. Others say wisdom teeth, bugs left over from a legacy update. Wrong. Dead wrong. The biggest piece of industrial trash in the human body is actually what you're resting your hands on right now, your knees. Did you know, from a mechanical engineering perspective, the human knee is a disaster. It's like trying to fit a heavy-duty truck with the suspension system of a bicycle. You think you're the pinnacle of evolution? To an orthopedic surgeon, you're just a Jenga tower waiting to collapse. Today, let's deconstruct this massive biological bug and see what Mother Nature, that amateur engineer, was possibly thinking. Let's pull this human mech into the workshop and check its stats. Defense, 0. Other animals have joints armored like tanks wrapped in thick muscle. Your knee? It's naked. It's just protected by a tiny cap called the patella. You bang it against a coffee table and your soul instantly leaves your body. Structural design? Illogical. Look at the physics here. You have two sticks, the femur and tibia, balancing head to head with a piece of cartilage sandwiched in between. And then you're expected to run, jump, and play basketball on this? This is like asking an NBA player to walk on stilts. In civil engineering, the designer of this structure would have their license revoked and go straight to jail. It gets worse. To keep these two bones from sliding apart, nature just slapped on a few rubber bands. These are the infamous cruciate ligaments, ACL. How fragile are they? A sudden stop, a quick pivot, or one missed step on the stairs and snap, that safety rope breaks. That sound? That's not just a pop. That's the funeral bell for your athletic career. And durability? Forget about it. Other parts heal. This thing? The damage is irreversible. The meniscus is basically a disposable washer. Once it wears out, it's gone. There's no spare parts kit included in the box. And here's a glitch specifically for the ladies. Let me introduce a concept, the Q angle. Because women generally have wider pelvises for childbirth, the angle between the thigh bone and the shin bone is sharper. What does this mean? It means with every step a woman runs, her knees endure significantly more shear force than a man's. So, ladies, if your knees hurt after running, you aren't being dramatic. It's a literal geometric bug in your factory settings. But here comes the plot twist. If this design is so trash, why didn't natural selection delete us? Because we traded these two trash legs for one god-tier ability, infinite endurance. Cheetahs are fast, right? That's a 100-meter sprint. They overheat in minutes. Antelopes jump high. That's pure burst power, but they have short health bars. Humans? We are nature's terrifying upright zombies. Because we walk upright, our energy efficiency is maxed out. With the same amount of calories, a chimp walks 3 kilometers, we walk 10 kilometers. We don't need speed, we just need to outlast you. Early Homo sapiens used these fragile knees to chase prey for days under the scorching sun until the prey literally died of exhaustion. This is a hybrid engine system. We sacrificed power for extreme fuel efficiency. Because we freed our hands, we unlocked the technology tree. Because standing upright dissipates heat better, our brains, CPUs, could overclock without crashing. We sacrificed our knees to buy our ticket to rule the earth. Feeling superior now? Don't get cocky. Here's a survival check. If you are currently sitting on the toilet or sitting with your legs crossed while watching this, put your legs flat now. Knee bent at 90 degrees, the load is 3 times your body weight. Squatting or kneeling, the load is 8 times your body weight. If you weigh 75 kilograms and do a deep squat, your knees are taking 600 kilograms of pressure. That's not a knee, that's crushing tofu with a hydraulic press. So the question is, since we can't upgrade the hardware, how do we make this shoddy engineering last longer? The answer, upgrade the software, muscles. If you don't want to end up in a wheelchair, start today. Do 2 sets of wall sits or straight leg raises every day. Strengthening your quadriceps is like installing heavy-duty shock absorbers on your knees. Stronger muscles mean less pressure on the bones. This might be the highest ROI of your life. So, Be kind to your knees. They are an evolutionary compromise, but they are the foundation of our civilization. They are the silent partners grinding themselves down so you can see the world. Don't wait until they go on strike to start taking care of them.